Hi, I'm Jane. I'm a UX writer, and I'm here to tell you that an amazing career in software design is actually closer than you think. You can master a skill that hits the sweet spot between being very niche and in high demand. And to help you on that road, JJ School and myself have coupled to create a fantastic, practical, rich course in UX writing. So what is UX writing? Frankly, as far as careers go, it's very fresh. It's crispy fresh, barely a decade in the mainstream. And nobody dreamed of being a UX writer as a kid because it did not exist. And even now, if you ask a person on the street, they're not gonna tell you what a UX writer is, even though they see and use the product of our craft every day. Your mom or uncle, when they call a cab, when they look up train schedules, when they order takeout, they use what a UX writer created and they have no idea. And we can teach you how to do it. A little bit about the course itself. We've broken it down into 5 modules, so it covers theory, practice, and your own project coursework. If you've never worked anywhere near this industry, don't worry about it because we're gonna go over all the basics. We're gonna give a good, rich introduction so you won't feel lost. But also, if you do have some experience and you just want to catch up, the course goes into enough detail, it covers enough ground for you to get a lot out of the program and up your skills and up your knowledge. What makes this course unique and what I haven't seen done anywhere else in the industry is focusing on other things than writing, not just how to do designs, how to do interfaces, but how to be a successful teammate, how to be a part of the team. What I mean is that I've seen so many people fail their interviews because they were unable to answer how they gather context, identify problems. Are they able to iterate on their behavior, on their teamwork? What makes them a good teammate is a huge part of having a successful career, which is why we've dedicated a special module specifically to that. A course is built in a way that you can exit and start working immediately because you will have enough knowledge to do that. From my first job up until now when I work for Shopify, I have never once looked back or doubted my choice. I love what I do and I hope to ignite the same love for content design in you. So sign up and I'll see you there.